Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks. Not saying you'll ever draw this, but I'm going to show you a couple of tools. These pieces are not actually touching on purpose. If we take put this let's take this way out. You can see that they're not touching. Pretty easy to draw. Let's just move this stuff out of the way. And let's start with a 8-sided polygon. Make sure you hit P, put it at the center of the page. Then let's draw an ellipse that's bigger than that and hit P. This is going to be our drawing surface. We're going to draw 2 lines. So get your 2-point line and go from that node to that node, and then click on it with your pick tool, and if you will grab that handle, it will keep that line on that corner perfectly. So we just need to do one more. Get your 2-point line and actually have to click off that. Get your 2-point line and go from that node to that node. Now, you could try to go all the way, but you could be off there. So that's our drawing surface. We're going to take our Smart Fill tool and we're going to fill that in. And I'm going to nudge it over. Then I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to take this thing and I'm going to give it that space. Then I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the inside, 0.02. There's our new space. Now I'm going to fill that in with the Smart Fill tool and nudge it over a couple of times. Now I'm just going to delete all this and I'm going to put it back where it belongs in the center. I'm not sure if that's it or not. I think that's it. Let's, that's why, let me back up here. That's why you ought to always have your nudge factor set on a certain amount. So what we're just going to basically start over because you want your nudge factor to get it out of the way. So let's go 20 inches. And let's Smart Fill that. And then that way when we do it, we will put it right back. So now I can get rid of that, and I can take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and it's right back where I need it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to make sure I didn't jiggle it. Sometimes your hand movement can make it jiggle. I'm going to go to Edit, I'm going to clone it. I'm going to move it out of the way, and this is actually our clone curve, so this is our control curve. So now I'm going to Control D this. I'm going to bring in indexing lines, double click on the X and get your rotation, bullseye looking thing. If you don't ever hit that X, you get the shape tool. There's 8 of them, so we're going to rotate at 45 degrees. And here you can see, so I Control D and it didn't do anything, so I'll go 90. You can see my space. Now here's the cool part with the clone tool. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and put a black box around it. Go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. Let's click, and that's cool within itself. Let's take away the indexing lines. Let's pick on our control curve, and let's get our interactive fill tool and swipe across, and let's put a little black on the downside. Whoop, I missed it. And then, of course, you can move this around to wherever you want, make it as cool as you want. Now, you could also take the elliptical and put that in the middle and bring your corners in and get a total different look. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.